In this video, I want to talk about how you can see volume on Webull. Now this is gonna work for the app as well as for the website version or the desktop version if you download that one. But what you want to do is just head over to your web trader. Now once you're inside of the trade, you want to open up any chart. So I'll just choose the Apple one. And once you're in here, you want to come to indicators and you want to select volume. If you don't see it, you can go to all indicators and it should be down towards V. And once you have selected volume, it will now appear right here. So as you can see, when I move my mouse and from this candlestick, it's going to show you the volume on each candlestick. So this obviously depends on your time frame. So as you can see at this right here, the volume was at its highest, and that is the way that you can check the volume. So I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.